You get rained upon, play outside, lift stones, build an immune system. To be honest, I'd still rather train in the rain than go back to the commercial gyms. I just value what I have. I find it, it's in a way it's quite relaxing. It's only me. The Orcs couldn't make it today, but they'll be here probably tomorrow. Stones again. Hopefully grip is a little bit easier. I had to train them today anyway, so just because it's raining, I'm not going to miss out on a training session. Just another day in owning a garage gym. The weather's not ideal today, but hey, who cares? Still going to get the work done, going to enjoy it. Going to try for a few reps with the big slab-like stone. Grip's going to be an issue, but so what? Ages ago I only did one, and I progressed up to 5 the other day when it was quite hot. If I can get 2, considering it'll be slippery, yeah, I'll be doing well. Definitely gained some additional mass in the chest, traps, delts. Beard is growing and on point, holding a fair bit of water weight. Yeah, competition 21st of Feb, so comp on birthday, so I turned 30 as well. Not a lot else, just get the work done, enjoy the process. And then there'll be some very big news later on. Hope you guys are all well. Have a great day.